If you are a business owner, you've definitely heard about GoHighLevel. Thousands of people have been raving about this software over the past few years, but the question is it really as good as everyone says? If so, how can you benefit from this software? Well, in this video, I will show what GoHighLevel is and how this software can help you as a business owner. Can this software save you time or money? Plus, I've got some awesome bonuses lined up that you won't want to miss, so stick around to find out how you can get even more value out of GoHighLevel. As you know, business owners like you often get leads from multiple sources, and many of these leads end up scattered or poorly organized, whether they come through your website, social media, email campaigns, or other channels. Managing these leads typically requires multiple expensive software tools, which can add up to thousands of dollars every month. This fragmented approach not only complicates your workflow, but also significantly increases costs. With these challenges in mind, it's clear that managing multiple software tools can be a complex and costly endeavor. This is where GoHighLevel comes into play. But what exactly is GoHighLevel, and how does it address these issues? Essentially, it's a CRM, or Client Relationship Management System, that handles everything from generating leads to closing deals, all within one comprehensive software. You can host your funnels and websites, create email campaigns, set up automated workflows, schedule appointments, host courses or memberships, manage your sales pipelines and calendars, and much more, all without the need for any other paid software. Now that you have a clear understanding of what GoHighLevel is and how it integrates various functionalities into a single platform, let's delve into how this all-in-one solution can help you as a business owner. We'll explore the common challenges faced by many businesses and see how GoHighLevel addresses these issues with effective solutions. First up, let's tackle tool overload and integration issues. Most business owners use multiple software tools like a CRM for customer management, an email marketing platform, a tool for managing sales funnels, and yet another one for scheduling appointments. Each tool might be excellent on its own, but together they can create a chaotic mess. Switching between different platforms, struggling with integrations, and dealing with data discrepancies can be incredibly time-consuming and frustrating, whereas GoHighLevel is famous for its all-in-one platform. GoHighLevel streamlines your business processes by combining CRM, email marketing, sales funnels, and scheduling into one easy-to-use platform. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that your data is accurate and up-to-date. By unifying your tools, you can concentrate on what truly matters, such as expanding your business and connecting with your customers. Next, we'll address the challenge of lacking automation in the processes. Businesses encounter major difficulties because of insufficient automation. Manually handling marketing campaigns, customer follow-ups, and other repetitive tasks takes up valuable time and can lead to missed opportunities. This lack of efficiency not only hinders growth, but can also result in lost revenue and decreased customer satisfaction. Thankfully, GoHighLevel addresses this issue with its robust automation features. By automating email campaigns, SMS messages, and CRM tasks, you can simplify your operations and significantly cut down on manual effort. This seamless automation guarantees consistent and timely communication, which can boost customer engagement and increase sales. Now, you have a system that works around the clock to nurture leads, follow up with potential clients, and manage your marketing campaigns, all while you focus on scaling your business. Limited analytics and reporting. Businesses often struggle with limited or fragmented reporting tools. Without comprehensive analytics, it's challenging to gain actionable insights into marketing performance, sales trends, and customer behavior. This lack of detailed information can lead to poor decision-making and missed growth opportunities. Fortunately, GoHighLevel has robust analytics and reporting features. By providing deep insights into your marketing efforts, sales processes, and customer interactions, GoHighLevel helps you make informed decisions that drive your business forward. This detailed reporting gives you a clear insight into what's effective and what needs improvement. Complex customer relationship management. Managing customer relationships can be a daunting task without an effective CRM system. Tracking interactions, managing leads, and nurturing customer relationships often becomes cumbersome and disorganized. This complexity can lead to missed follow-ups, lost opportunities, and overall inefficiencies in managing your customer base. The good news is, GoHighLevel simplifies customer relationship management with its advanced CRM capabilities. By centralizing all customer interactions and data in one place, it enables you to manage leads, track interactions, and maintain organized records effortlessly. This streamlined approach helps you stay on top of your customer relationships, ensuring timely follow-ups and more meaningful interactions. With GoHighLevel, you can transform complex CRM challenges into opportunities for growth and stronger customer connections. Inefficient sales processes, sales funnels, and pipelines that are poorly designed or managed can seriously hinder your business's growth. Inefficient sales processes can lead to missed opportunities, reduced conversions, and a general lack of clarity in tracking your sales performance. This inefficiency not only affects your bottom line, but also diminishes your ability to scale and optimize your sales strategies effectively. Fortunately, GoHighLevel addresses these challenges with its intuitive sales funnel builder and pipeline management tools. By enabling you to design, optimize, and track your sales funnels more effectively, GoHighLevel ensures that your sales processes are streamlined and efficient. This powerful platform allows you to visualize your sales pipeline, automate follow-ups, and monitor performance in real time. With GoHighLevel, you can transform your sales process into a well-oiled machine that drives growth and maximizes your sales potential. Difficulty scaling. As businesses grow, scaling operations and maintaining efficiency with disparate systems can become increasingly problematic. Managing different tools and platforms often results in inefficiencies and bottlenecks that hinder growth and complicate operations. This difficulty in scaling can slow down your progress and make it challenging to meet increasing demands. GoHighLevel offers a unified platform that simplifies scaling by providing a comprehensive suite of tools designed to grow with your business. By integrating various functionalities into one system, GoHighLevel enables you to manage and scale your operations smoothly and efficiently. This seamless solution allows you to adapt to new challenges, streamline your processes, and ensure that your business scales effectively without losing momentum. Appointment scheduling and management. Managing appointments and scheduling can be a hassle, especially for businesses that handle a high volume of client interactions. The complexity of coordinating schedules, avoiding double bookings, and reducing no-shows can consume significant time and resources. This challenge often results in missed opportunities, frustrated clients, and overall inefficiencies in your operations. Luckily, GoHighLevel addresses this issue with its integrated booking and scheduling features. By simplifying the process of managing client appointments, GoHighLevel helps you streamline scheduling and minimize no-shows. This robust platform provides an intuitive interface for clients to book appointments directly, automatically syncs with your calendar, and sends timely reminders. With GoHighLevel, you can enhance client satisfaction, improve operational efficiency, and focus on growing your business without the stress of managing complex schedules. High costs of software. The combined cost of using multiple software solutions each month for various business needs can become excessively high. Paying separately for CRM, email marketing, sales funnels, and scheduling can quickly add up, putting a strain on your budget and impacting your profits. However, with GoHighLevel, you can cut these costs while still getting all the features you need for your business. GoHighLevel puts more money back in your pocket and reduces the hassle of managing various tools. For detailed information on HighLevel's features and pricing, check out my full video linked in the I button above. Before we wrap up, I've got an exciting bonus lined up that you definitely don't want to miss. To make your experience with GoHighLevel even more valuable, I'm offering exclusive professionally designed funnel templates, typically sold for $197, completely free. These templates are crafted to help you get started quickly and optimize your sales process with minimal effort. Plus, you can start with a 14-day free trial of GoHighLevel to explore all its features before committing. If you sign up with GoHighLevel through my affiliate link in the description, you'll receive the funnel templates directly in your email, so you can start using them right away. Now that we've explored how GoHighLevel can tackle the common challenges faced by business owners, I hope you have a clearer picture of how this powerful platform can streamline your operations and drive growth. Click the link in the description to start your free trial and claim your bonus templates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more valuable content. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn about next. Until then, take care.